Welcome, dear students. Welcome to the new session and also the new chapter. So, previous session we completed our arrays chapter where we discussed arrays, 1D arrays, 2D arrays, and programs. Today, this is a session on practical programs. In the previous session, also we completed our practical programs in C++, and today we will be learning some of the HTML tags where we will be learning how to design a web page and the tags available, and using those tags how we can design our web page. So this is web designing, and web designing, there is a topic in web designing, list of HTML tags. So today's session I'll be discussing HTML tags with you in this video. So let's get started and let's check what is web designing and what is HTML tags. So as we know that web, so you must be, these days you must be very familiar with a word called web or net. So any information required, you will be searching for that information in the net, and these days most of the information is made available to users in internet. As we know that the information what we access, those information will be available in websites, and in websites the information will be made available through web pages. Web pages is a document, web document, where it will have the contents of internet, where we can access the information of internet. So today's session we will be learning uh, how we can design these web pages. So ನೀವು net na access ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will see so many pages. You will see a page where you have to insert you. I'll discuss one important page, that is your result sheet, where you access your result. That result sheet, it will ask you to enter the register number. Once you enter the register number, that page is a web page where you enter the register number, and the next you will get a mark sheet, that is also a web page. So different content is available on the web page. So internetally information content display ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ we will be using web page. A web page can have any information which can be made available in internet, and also we will be using HTML to design web pages. So let's get started and let's discuss what is HTML. So today's class, as I told you, we will be learning HTML. So what is HTML? So HTML andre, so it's a acronym for Hyper Text Markup Language. So it is Hypertext Markup Language. So what is the use of this HTML? The use of HTML is, see, in for your practicals you have to learn C++ program, and you will be taught to write or design web pages. To design web pages you need to know HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a language. So we have given you introduction. We also have a video on introduction to languages, where we have explained the different types of languages available, computer languages available. HTML is also a part of that. So as the name itself specifies, so hypertext markup language. It is also called a scripting language. So what is the use of this HTML? So HTML, it is used to, it will help us to design web pages. So it is used to design web pages. So you can develop your own web pages using HTML. So here the instructions, like in C++ you have seen, cout, all, if, else, all those are instructions which will tell the computer to do various tasks. Cin will tell the computer to access data, input data. So likewise we have cout which will tell the computer to output the data on monitor. Like that we have so many things you have learned in C++. You have learned arrays, if statements, switch statements, so many statements you know. Similarly here there is something called as tags. So in HTML we use tag. Tag is a command andre instruction. It's a command which is enclosed within a pair of left and we will be giving the tag and right, less than and greater than symbol. So tag. So HTML, in HTML we are using tags. And what is tag? Tag is a command which is given to the computer. It's like a like statements what we give in C++. So it on the command. The job of this is which will tell the it will tell the computer what to do. And this tag it is included within less than and greater than symbol ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. A tag can be in uppercase or lowercase, doesn't matter. As we all know, C++ is case sensitive, but here uppercase or lowercase because it is case insensitive language. Case in, insensitive means that means uppercase and lowercase doesn't make difference. The program can be written using uppercase or lowercase. So both you can also use, no problem. But whereas in other languages there are some restrictions that at some places you are not allowed to use uppercase, and in some places you are allowed to use uppercase. But here it doesn't matter if you use uppercase or lowercase. Then so this is about tags. Let us know more about tags. So let's know more about tags and let's see what is a tag. As I told you, tag will be enclosed within a pair of less than tag and less than symbol followed by tag and again greater than symbol. A tag is enclosed within a less than and greater than symbol. Now, tags, we have two types of tags. Let us discuss what is the types of tags. So let us see the types of tags. So there are two types of tags. There are two types. One is we have paired tag and we have unpaired tag. So we have two types of tags, that is paired tag and unpaired tag. So let's see what is a paired tag. So first let us see paired tag. paired tag anta helidre opening tag idre a tag has to be closed. So paired tag. So discussing about paired tags. So let us see what is a paired tag. Paired tag means so it has a opening tag, and if a tag we are using it has to be closed. For example, HTML ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು tag ಇದೆ which indicates the beginning of a HTML program, and after suppose if I want to end, I have to close this. So this is how we close the tag HTML // and then close. This is a paired tag. So let us take one more paired tag, one more example. So if you want to make the text bold, you have to give B tag, and so you need to close this tag by giving /B like this. So these tags are called paired tags, and we have some tags which are unpaired. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ. So unpaired tag also is there. So let us see what is unpaired tag. So unpaired tag andre opening. So we have unpaired tag. That is just we have a tag say BR. BR means break, like this. So this tag does it's unpaired tag, so you don't have to close this tag. It is just BR. That's it. So you need not close this tag. These kind of tags are called unpaired tags. And what I was telling is we have paired tag. That means some tags has a opening tag and closing tag. Unpaired tag means only tag will be there. There is no closing tag. So let us discuss the structure of C++ program. Structure of HTML program. You already know how to write a C++ program. You have already learned. Now we will be learning HTML program. Structure of HTML program. So HTML program always begins with a tag called HTML, and then it has two main parts. One is the head, and head includes the title, so head includes the title, then we close the head tag. Then a HTML document has two, one more, that is body, and we will be including various tags in the body, and body has to be closed by using /body, and then a HTML document is always ended with a HTML tag. So closing tag ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ closing tag ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the structure of a HTML ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಒಂದು HTML ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we need to take notepad. Okay, in the notepad so we will type our HTML document, HTML, then we will give head. 80% of the code is written in head, sorry, 20% of the code is written in head and 80% of the code is written in body. The head has one more tag, that is title. I'll give Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. You will see where it appears, Don Bosco PU College. PU College is enough. Okay, then I close the title. This is the title you are giving to your web page. So next we close the head here. Head ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕೋಡನ್ನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಾಡಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ. ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ HTML. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೇವ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ anywhere you want to save the file, C drive, E drive. Okay, but you need to remember where you have saved. I have saved in D drive. D drive ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡಿ. I have given FIRST, first.html. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ .html ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ರನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸೇವ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. Okay, then you can minimize notepad. Then you need to open Internet Explorer. Okay, you need to open Internet Explorer. Okay, notepad ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then you need to open Internet Explorer and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು d:/first.ht ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವೋ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ನಾನು ಟೈಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಾನ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೋ PU ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಟೈಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಟೈಟಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮೈ ನೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಫೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೇವ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನೇಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ನಾಜಿಯಾ, ಮೈ ನೇಮ್. ಫೈಲಿಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಟೈಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್. ನಾವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಡಾನ್ ಬಾಸ್ಕೋ PU ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ನಾಜಿಯಾ ನದೀಮ್ has come up on the screen like this. Title ನೀವೇನು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ it will be displayed here. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, go to start, then you should open notepad. Notepad ಅಲ್ಲಿ you need to type your code. So type ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು then you will be saying save. ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ .html ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Then you need to open Internet Explorer and then you have to type your file name here and that page will get loaded. So we have not yet added anything to the body. ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನೋಟ್ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅದು ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಟೈಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್, HTML ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಹೆಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ HTML ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು execute a HTML program. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your patience listening, dear students. Have a blessed day. Bye.